Hello friends, myself Raj Verma. I belong from Uttar Pradesh and my educational qualification is MSc B.Ed. I have 4-year experience in the field of education and I teach mathematics. Hello friends, today I am going to start a new chapter of class 10th mathematics and the chapter is arithmetic progression. So in this lectures I will cover these all topics and the topics are sequence, arithmetic progression, general term of the AP and problems based on these topics. Okay friends, so first of all I am going to explain what is sequence. Before explaining what is sequence, just I am here writing the series of number. So the series of numbers are 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. And the second series is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and so on. And the third series is 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 8 and so on. So students, if you observe these arrangements of number, then you can simply observe that these are written in a order. Okay, the first one is written in ascending order, second one is also written in ascending order, and third one is written in descending order. Okay, now observe third arrangement of number. If you subtract 4 from first term, you will got second term. If you subtract 4 from second term, you will got third term. Again, if you subtract 4 from third term, you will got fourth term and so on. So, if you are observing these all three arrangements of number, then you can simply observe that these are the arrangements of number written in definite order with some rule. So, the arrangement of a number written in definite order with some rule is called sequence. Okay, an arrangement of number written in definite order with some rule, that is called sequence. So these all are the sequence. First one is and second one is written in ascending order and third one is written in descending order. So students, these are what? These are called sequence. These are called sequence. Now, what is arithmetic progression? The first topic was sequence, it has been completed. Now, arithmetic progression. AP. Arithmetic progression. AP. What is an AP? A sequence is said to be an AP if the difference between each two successive term is constant. If you are observing this above sequence, then you can simply observe that in first sequence, the difference between each two successive term is constant. The difference between 5 and 2 is 3, difference between 8 and 5 is 3, difference between 11 and 8 is 3, difference between 14 and 11 is 3, difference between 17 and 14 is 3. So, the difference between each two successive term is constant. Then you can say that this sequence is nothing but called an AP. Okay? So what is an AP? A sequence is said to be an AP if the difference between each two successive term is constant. Now if you observe the second sequence, then you can simply observe that the difference between these two terms is 3 and difference between these two terms is 5, difference between these two terms is 7. So if you are observing the difference between this two term is not constant. Okay, so this sequence is not an AP. Now in third sequence, the difference between each two successive term is also constant, that is minus 4. So this is also an AP. So first and second, that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 is in AP. And also you can say that 20, 16, 12, 8, comma 4, comma 0, comma minus 4 is an AP. Okay, so this one is the AP. Now students, the next topic is general term. The next topic is what? Now general term of the AP. Students, तो अभी आपने देखा यहाँ पे कि जो मैंने एक AP लिखा था 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, ये मैंने एक AP लिखा हुआ था। इस AP में इस 2 को बोलते हैं फर्स्ट टर्म। क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग फर्स्ट टर्म। इस 2 को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? फर्स्ट टर्म। अब इन प्रत्येक टर्म्स के जो बीच का डिफरेंस है इट इज 3। ओके, सो जो अपने पास डिफरेंस है, जैसे कि मैंने 5 माइनस 2 किया 3 आ गया, या 8 माइनस 5 किया तब भी 3 आ गया। तो ये जो 3 है ना, दिस 3 इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस। कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ AP। कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ AP, it is represented by small d, so you can write small d is equal to what? 3, and first term is represented by small a which is equal to 2. So अभी मैंने आपके सामने यहाँ पे AP लिखा हुआ है और आपने देखा कि ये AP का फर्स्ट टर्म 2 है and the common difference of this AP is 3. तो अगर कभी आपके पास कोई AP दिया हो तो आप AP के फर्स्ट टर्म को बता सकते हो और AP के कॉमन डिफरेंस को इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो। नाउ जनरल टर्म ऑफ एन AP क्या होता है? देखो ध्यान से, इसमें सपोज दैट कि अगर किसी AP का फर्स्ट टर्म A है और कॉमन डिफरेंस D है। अब मैं उस AP के जनरल टर्म्स को लिखना चाहता हूँ, तो आपने देखा आप इसको इजीली लिख सकते हो ऐसे ऐसे। ये अपना हो गया फर्स्ट टर्म। सेकेंड टर्म को लिखने के लिए आपको उसमें कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना होगा, सो यू विल गॉट A प्लस B। आपको नेक्स्ट टर्म को लिखने के लिए आपको अगेन कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तो D प्लस D हो जाएगा आपके पास 2D। अगेन इसमें आप D जोड़ोगे तो आपको मिलेगा A प्लस 3D। अगेन आप जोड़ोगे तो आपको एक अगला टर्म मिलता जाएगा। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप इसी तरीके से कुछ लिखते जाए तो देखो इस बात को ध्यान से समझोगे, ये आपका फर्स्ट टर्म है, ये आपका सेकेंड टर्म है, ये वाला आपका थर्ड टर्म है और ये वाला क्या कौन सा टर्म है आपके पास? फोर्थ टर्म। तो आप देखो सेकेंड टर्म देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 2, तो एक कम कर दो, 2 से एक कम करोगे तो आपको 1 मिलेगा, तो 1 A प्लस 1 लेस 2D। यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो A प्लस 3 से 1 कम करो, 1 लेस करो, तो 3 माइनस 1 2, सो A प्लस 2D। सो इसी तरीके से अगर आप यहाँ पे देख पाओगे तो अगर हमें nth टर्म लिखना होगा, लास्ट टर्म अगर 10th टर्म लिखना होगा तो हम लिख सकते हैं A प्लस इससे एक कम n माइनस 1 इंटू D। तो ये अपना हो गया nth टर्म या लास्ट टर्म या 10th या nth टर्म। तो ये अपना हो गया nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सिंपली से दैट nth टर्म of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D। अब इस फॉर्मूले का इस्तेमाल करके आप AP के किसी भी टर्म को फाइंड कर सकते हो। जैसे अगर मैं यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखूं तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक AP लिख रखा है ये वाला, एंड हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आई हैव रिटन हियर? सो 1 2 3 4 5 आई हैव रिटन 5 टर्म्स इन दिस AP। And students, if you want to find a fourth term, sixth term of this AP, let's suppose I am here to finding sixth term of the AP. So you can simply apply this formula. Okay. So value of A, that is first term, is given 2, common difference is given 3, and if you want to find sixth term, then value of n will be what? 6. So you can write n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So if you want to find sixth term, so in place of n you are putting 6 and just put the value of A is equal to 2 here. 2 plus 6 minus 1 into value of D is 3. So it is 2 plus 6 minus 1, 5 3 is 15. So it will be what? 17. So sixth term of this AP will be what? 17. So by using this formula you can easily find nth term, 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, 100th term from first, okay, from beginning of the AP. So students, आपका ये हो गया जनरल टर्म। अब आती है बारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की। ओके, तो देखो मैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की, तो स्टूडेंट्स अब हम लोग करेंगे कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व इन सारी छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स के बेसिस पे। सो आपका पहला प्रॉब्लम है फॉर द फॉलोइंग एपी राइट द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. So students, if you are observing this AP, then you can simply observe that this is the first term. So you can write first term A is equal to minus 5. And if you want to write common difference of this AP, then you can simply write common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, either third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term. So if I will subtract first term from second, then this is the first term here, and this is second term. This is the second term here, and minus first term minus 5. तो इसको आप लिख पाओगे -1 plus 5, so it will be what 4. So the common difference of this AP is 4. स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप इस AP को देख पा रहे हो तो ये AP असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है. किस ऑर्डर में स्टूडेंट्स? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. तो अगर कभी भी कोई अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हो तो वहाँ पे जो कॉमन डिफरेंस D की वैल्यू होती है वो पॉजिटिव आती है, और अगर AP डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हो तो उस AP का जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है वो नेगेटिव में आता है. इट्स क्लियर नाउ स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ सेकंड प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड प्रॉब्लम इज फाइंड द 10th टर्म ऑफ AP. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द AP here and you need to find 10th term. So first of all, we will write the first term, that is A is equal to 1. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So 1 is the first term and 3 is what? Common difference. And you want to find 10th term, so we will write value of n is equal to 10. And nth is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So if you want to find 10th term, then you can directly write A plus 9D. Okay, because here if you will write 9, if you want to find 10th term, then in place of n you will write 10 and A plus 10 minus 1 into D, that is 9D. So A plus 10 minus 1, that is A plus 9D. So value of A is what? 1. Value of D is what? 3. So 9 into 3, that is 9 3 is 27 plus 1 28. So 28 is the 10th term of this AP. So students, in this lectures I have covered this all topic, that is sequence, AP, general term of the AP, and problems based on these all topics. So thank you students.